So hello again and welcome back. This evening, 25th of November, I'm down in Eastney, just outside Portsmouth. This is Eastney Beach. This is the Solent, I think. Yeah, this is the Solent, and I'm here because I'm off to France for the next 10 days, heading southwest. I've got a little job to do just south of Bergerac, and I'm going to spend 4 or 5 days camping in my T5 and cycling around. So yeah, let's follow that along. But this evening I'm here to catch the ferry to St Malo in the morning, and yeah, stay on the ferry overnight. Brittany ferry service to St Malo, so that should be quite good. So I'm looking forward to that. But I'm heading that way now, where the ferry terminal is. Sea looks pretty calm this evening, so I'm hoping for quite a nice crossing. Should be able to get some sleep in the cabin. Yeah, that's normally quite good. When I get up in the morning, I'm going to head out into St Malo, trying to find some breakfast. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So yeah, let's go and find the ferry. Alright, so I made it on the ship. I've had a meal and I'm just waiting for the ship to leave now. It's Portsmouth behind me, Spinnaker Tower. I'm looking forward to quite a nice crossing really. It doesn't look too rough. So yeah, should be all good. So I'll see you in the morning when I arrive in St Malo, and we'll take it from there. Not sure where I'm going, but I'm sure it'll be quite a good trip. So I arrived here in St Malo this morning. Really nice crossing overnight, had a good sleep, had my breakfast. I'm going to try and set off now to the south, just drive all day I think, see where it takes me. But in the meantime, this is St Malo. Okay, so I've had a day of driving. In Lot-et-Garonne now, and Fer and Sac is the place where I'm going, up there on that sign, 2k that way. I'm just about to find the place I'm staying, but it's been a brilliant day's driving, about 400 miles from the north coast. Yeah, very good, no hold-ups at all. So I'm off to find where I'm staying, and I'll show you that when I get there. Okay, 26th of November, 27th of November, and I'm at this chateau where I'm staying with some friends, and I'm just about to go off on a on a bike ride that way. Probably just ride around the countryside. Haven't really got any plans. Just going to take a few hours just for a ride round. So let's go and see what that looks like. Still following this little back road. Going to pick up the main road just up here and turn left into Villaréal. So yeah, beautiful little properties. So I just stopped here for a quick bio break. I just want to show you this little farm over here. Absolutely beautiful and really kind of typical of this this area. This road is absolutely beautiful, full of them. Okay, so onwards to Villaréal that way. If you're wondering what this is, it's still Movember. Okay, just come up that little rise. Just ahead of me I can see Villaréal. So I'm heading there, down this little slope. Whoa. As you can see, this is the main road in the area. Highly congested on a Sunday morning. I think I've seen one car, which is lovely. Ideal for cycling along. Yeah, strange, but nobody around. So I've just arrived in Villaréal. Lovely little town. Lots of little cafes around. I think I'm going to stop and have a coffee and yeah, just see how that goes. But it's really lovely little place, little market square, covered market. No market today, but still a nice thing. So I've left Villaréal now. I'm just heading probably north actually, on the rolling roads. It's really quite nice. Sort of up and down 3 or 4%. Just rolling through the countryside really. I'd say it's basically flat. These little rises are not much to contend with. There's the odd car, the odd dog now. It's getting up to about lunchtime. Really beautiful, really nice. 27th of November, beautiful weather. Absolutely fantastic. Did 35k downhill now. Not even pedalling, it's just rolling countryside, beautiful. Okay, just coming up to the next place where I think, looking at my GPS, there is a left-hand turn where I'm heading back to another small town. So yeah, just need to see if I can find that. So I just decided to pull over because I couldn't actually work out which one of these 3 or 4 roads I need to take. So I stopped at this little church. Have a look at this. Okay, just crossed into the Dordogne and just found this sign. This is where I need to be heading on this road. So I'm going to go up that way, and I'm starting to turn back on myself now to get back to where I started. I'm probably only about 20k out really, but absolutely great cycling, and yeah, really lovely roads, really lovely fast roads at the moment. I'm not particularly fast, but 32k an hour seems to be quite easy on these rolling hills. So I'm heading up there that way, and let's see what that brings. This is good. I'm exactly on the route that I planned. I didn't realise I was changing to a different department though. I didn't look at the map that closely. I just looked at a rough route. But yeah, beautiful little roads. Lovely countryside still. Yeah, all good. Okay, so I come to a major intersection here. This is four-way crossroads, very busy. I'm going that way. Yeah, I'm going that way, I think. Yeah, that's certainly right. But yeah, absolutely great here. Lovely, no traffic. Oh, there's another cyclist coming. I must be on the right route. Ooh. Okay, just heading back to the next little town now. That's 5k along here. It's quite amazing really. So many beautiful properties. So another little junction. I'm going that way, just to do an extra few k around the fields, back to the little town. And then back to the chateau, I think. Ooh. Oh wow, that was hard going. Just come up that little hill, 14% for about 400 metres. Oh, not used to that. It was alright in the Ardèche in June. Cool. Bit more practice needed. That's what I'm here to look at over there. So I found this fantastic little bike shop, and in the window over there are two later model Solex mopeds. Yeah, it looked great in the shop. The shop looks fantastic. Looks like it hasn't been open for years. Really great. So I think I'm back on the road which goes past the chateau. Just need to follow this now, and hopefully, if I've read the map right, I'll find the gate. So that was a really great ride out this morning. Back to the chateau now. Got to try and find a way in. The gates look locked, but I was told that there's a path this way. Okay, so I found a way back in. A little bit freestyle, but there we are. So I'm going to ride up the path now and call it a day there. I think that's the end of this little ride out. So I arrived here last night in the dark and I couldn't quite see what the building I was staying in looks like, but this is it here. This is where I'm actually staying. It's really beautiful inside, really nice, fantastic little spot to stay in. Okay, so I've just spent 3-4 days up there at the chateau doing some work, installing some Wi-Fi. Just about to head off now towards the coast at Nantes, where I'm going to be staying for a couple of days before heading back to the north coast and Portsmouth at the weekend. So yeah, it's been really enjoyable here at the chateau, installing the Wi-Fi and just generally being here. Lovely weather. It's the last day of November, so Movember, it's almost over.